Hey y'all, it's Trisha. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a back to school supply haul. If you are a teacher or a homeschool mama, you probably get very excited about back to school supplies, and I do also. So I got a small haul. I don't have all the things like glue sticks and kid scissors and those types of things because we already have them, so I didn't feel the need to buy them. But if you are interested in homeschooling videos, I've done several lately on this channel, and I also do cleaning, a grocery haul, mom life, those types of videos, but especially homeschooling right now. So be sure to hit that subscribe button if you are interested in these types of videos, and the like button if you enjoy this video. And let's get started on this back to school supply haul. Okay, so first off, I'll show you my school supplies that I got, and then I do have a few school supplies that I wanted to make sure you guys saw because I didn't buy them new, but they are very good for those younger elementary school ages and preschool, so I wanted to make sure that was included in this video. First off, I have this primary journal. It's just like those black and white journals you would see, but it is wide ruled, and it has room where they can draw pictures. So for kindergarten, first graders, second graders, this is perfect for those beginning writers. And I found that at Walmart. At Target, I got these two notebooks, one for my son, one for my daughter. And they are also wide ruled. I picked up some more construction paper to have in our supply closet. Some index cards. These are great for flashcards. We use flashcards all the time for memorization, sight words, that type of thing. Ticonderoga pencils. These are the best. Those free birthday party pencils you get everywhere. Those do not work well when you sharpen them. They come out crooked and they break all the time, so I highly recommend these. And then we got a new ruler because ours broke. Then lots and lots of art supplies. My daughter loves coloring. So I got these Crazy Gels Twist Up crayons. These are kind of just fun school supplies that I will give all of these supplies to my kids the night before school starts to kind of get them excited. But I got lots of different colors of markers because my daughter definitely prefers markers, and we go through these throughout the school year. We will run out for sure. Some oil pastels. This is new to our art supply list, but I thought these would be great for during our morning basket instead of just using watercolors to paint pictures of the read aloud that we're doing or whatever I ask them to do. They can use pastels. And then some Silly Sense markers. I thought those were fun. And then a new fresh pack of Crayola crayons. We have lots of crayons that we've used, but it's always nice to have a new pack for the school year. And these Colors of the World's crayons, I love these. This will be wonderful, especially for our social studies when we're learning about the world and coloring pictures of all different people. Okay, so at Target in the dollar spot, bullseye playground, whatever you want to call it, they have so many school supplies. I always hit that up every year. I did get several supplemental things there, but I am not going to show those in this video. That'll be my next one, but this is just ink pad supply. And then I got some cute little stampers to go with it. You really can't beat Target's prices. I got a treasure box that we're going to try this year kind of to help motivate the kids so that if they've done their schoolwork well all week and put their best effort in on Friday, they can pick out of the treasure box. And this was only $3. I thought that was a great deal. They had these pinchers for my preschoolers. You can use these. And then a sand timer. I'm excited to use this. I've always just used my phone timer to time my kids on their work to kind of, it just gets them motivated. I don't do the timer to see how fast they can do things yet, but this 5-minute timer will come in handy. I can say, hey, I'm setting the timer on 5 minutes. You need to focus, get this done, and then we'll move on to the next thing. All right, that is all my new homeschool supplies. If you didn't see something here, like I said again, we have a whole homeschool supply closet that I might show you guys sometime, but for right now it's a disaster and I have to get to it. But I do have two things that I want to show you. So this is a Ticonderoga pencil, but you'll notice it's larger than these. My first grader is using pencils just fine like this. But my pre-kindergartner, I'm gonna have her start with these, and it's just a little bit easier, the larger size for the little ones to grasp. And then this, you can find these handwriting booklets at the Dollar Tree. And we used these all of last year for spelling words especially. And it's just a large print, and it's just like what you would see in a classroom. Wonderful, and only $1. So I highly recommend these. And that is it, guys. That's my haul. It's not a lot. We don't need a lot. We just use what we have from previous years. You know, yes, we're homeschoolers, but my kids have backpacks still if we want to go out on a nature walk. They have lunch boxes if we go head out with our friends, but we don't need to buy those supplies over and over again every year. We just use what we have, and I am all about that. If you already have crayons and pencils and markers that are fine and they aren't used up, just go ahead and keep them for the next year. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel so much. And subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.